Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Depending on the size of your pool, you can expect to pay a set amount as your base price. For a standard 24 feet above ground swimming pool, you'll be looking around $795 for pool and equipment installation. Additional assembly fees may be required for items such as ladders, steps, or other external add-ons.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Swimming pools are not as expensive or as tedious to install as in days gone by. An above-ground pool that uses a frame will cost more to buy and maintain, but will cost less than a below-ground pool.
Take our lead.
The partial in-ground option. Some pool installation professionals suggest putting an above-ground pool only halfway in the ground. Doing so reduces excavation costs and minimizes the risk of the pool collapsing inward if it needs to be drained.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Depending on the circumstances, a pool may only boost your resale value by a maximum of 7%. Some would-be buyers' offers may be contingent on the home seller dismantling an above-ground pool or filling it in if it's in-ground.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.